watching our video. We are the Piano Solutions, piano restoration company for the 21st century. And as you remember, we show you a lot of tools, a lot of technique, and basically all of them just is improving technology in the piano restoration. And today we show you some small portion of piano work. Cut excess of the plastic from the bottom of the key when we put the key top. But this time it's not going to be just show you the tool that we have to do this job on a high level and easy, but it's a little bit change the path of our story. It's happened that I'm a member of Piano Technician Guild, and every month we got meetings between the technicians, and the last meeting the topic was a fear in the piano business. It was a little bit unusual first because I forget about fear for a long time already, since it's already like 52 years in the business. And but I remember that at the beginning I definitely had a lot of uncomfortable situations when I'm nervous, and it was kind of under the stress. And I of course analyze what cause of this. And after a while I figure out that it's a lack of knowledge, a lack of technology, and lack of setup. I mean, just you need to just have a proper setup for every type of work. And eventually, step by step, I try to eliminate this fear. And of course, for most technicians, it's a pretty legitimate question how to deal with this. And it's nothing good that I have all the tool and the technician asked me to get one. That's why this time I try to explain the basic, how to build this tool, that everybody can do it, especially we got everything available. It just takes a little time and knowledge, and I want to share with you how to approach this thing. The first, everything in our business, it's related to cutting, mostly. Cut it, of course it's a lot of assembling, adjusting, regulation, but a lot of cutting. And in order for you to understand, I show you just what's available. Once you are dealing with the cutting, any property, metal, wood, or plastic, you have to understand that you don't have many options. One of them is like files, knives, like this, drill bits, router bits, of course a lot of different type of sandpaper, drum sanders, disc sanders, band sanders, and of course this bandsaw. It can be done. For this particular purpose, unfortunately, everything that you do on a bandsaw, on a sandpaper, or just knife is impossible, or file, that's not going to be a good job. But you have to make it perfect. It has to be square. And the only way to do it, to use your reference, is this soft surface, and cut it on the top. For these purposes, I select the router bit, and as you see on this tool, that you can do it. It's a trimmer. I select the cordless. You can do it any other one. The way I like this one, because it's a 30,000 RPM. It's very fast. Try to eliminate any chips. And I mount it vertically, and as you can see here, it's the bit inside. This is a screen that I keep it out of, because it's a lot of debris goes out. I want to just protect it. As you see, it's adjustable. They design it like this. I don't have to do anything. It's a manufacturer did it like this. You just unlock it and adjust the height. I did it already here. As you see, it's a strong base that hold it right on an angle. And I mount here the sliding table. Sliding table, it's very simple, right, to do it. It's a piece of wood with grooves and 2 angles here. And the clamp for the key that you can just like put a key here, as you see, clamp. And once you slide it with a bit rotating, you just cut it evenly. Yeah, in this case, that's give you a chance to eliminate your uncomfortable feel. Let's look how this tool works. By pushing the button, we just start it on. Of course, I just put the screen back just to be sure that we protect it. And by pushing the button, automatically the light on, and it's activated. Once I put it here, I just slide it. I stop it, and as you see, it's just cut. It's very smooth and absolutely square. This small thing is just make you feel confident, and of course, once you keep going on this tool, you might improve something. It's up to you. There are a lot of trade secrets. What it means, it's not that secret that I keep it from you, but there are a lot of research can be done, how plastic acting, for instance, more damage might happen if you work in a cold environment, because plastic become very crispy, right? And it might be. And there is the certain comfortable temperatures that I might tell you, that's a trade secret, that if you warm up the plastic to, let's say, 80 degrees, you got no problem. It's cut like butter. That's maybe some other secrets, how to eliminate vibration on your unit, or maybe get a better one. You might get some precision tool that you'll be absolutely confident that everything gonna be nice. But that's the essence of eliminate this fear. Why we wanna do it? Because my goal is not just eliminate stress. Later on, when we move to a very, very routine work that still exists, we getting to the level of meditation. We make this job, of course, very time-consuming and it's a lot of handwork, make it healing process for you by creating the tools, improving technology, set up everything in a comfortable environment. And if you want, we might even get some sound, pleasant sound, light for you. That's how it works. And in order later on, if you want to get on a really, really high level to compete with the manufacturer, that's what you need. Thanks for watching, and I hope that we together we can achieve this goal and make our very, very time-consuming routine work healing process for everybody involved in this business. Please subscribe to our channel, and we would like to hear your comments below. Thanks a lot.